Hello everyone, and in this lesson I will do homework from physics and okay, let's go. For the question, speed issue driving at 30 meter per second enters one lane tunnel. She then observes a slow moving van 1055 meter feet traveling at 5 meter per second. Sue applies her brakes but can accelerate only at -2 meters per second square because the road is wet. Will there be a collision? If so, determine how far into the tunnel and at what time the collision occurs. If not, determine the distance of closest approach between two cars and the van. Okay, I will show in live part. This is a shoes car. And this is the van. And their distance is 155 meters, and Sue's initial velocity is 30 meters per second. And Van's velocity is also 5 meters per second, and Sue can decelerate at 2 meters per second square -2. Okay, we need to find what time will be collision. I will find first. I will find distance of one. Firstly, x2. The first distance is 155 meters, and the plus vt. This is one. Velocity is 5, and t. First is Sue's distance. These two distance is same. This is a collision distance, and we need to write Vt, formula Vt minus at square over 2. And then we put their numbers. 30t minus minus 2t square over 2. I will simplify these two, and x1 and x2 same is equal to, and I will write 155 plus 5t is equal to 30t minus t square. Then continue. T square minus 30t plus, and no, not 30t, 25t, and the plus 155 is equal to 0. And we need to find t. In this case, I will do with find t with discriminant t1 t2 is equal to minus b plus minus root, this root b squared minus 4ac. Everybody knows this formula over 2a. We need to write minus b is 20 minus 25, and this is plus 25 plus minus 25 square is will be 625 and minus 4ac. 4 multiplied by 1 and multiplied by 155 and over 2a, also 2. In this root, this will be 5 in root, and the 5 root is equal to 2.2, and then just write t1 and t2. t1 we need to plus, and t2 we need to minus. Then we will get 2 1. .6, and the second time 11.2. Okay, we'll get second tip because it's more have chance than this time, and I will write the x plus 5 155 plus 5 multiplied by 11.4 is equal to 212 meter, and in this distance the source velocity is a need more than 5 meters per second, and I will check it. Velocity, final velocity minus initial velocity minus a t. We have this, and we need to final. Initial velocity is 30 minus 2 multiplied by 11.4. This velocity, final velocity is 7.2 meters per second. This is more than 5 meters per second. Collision, yes, will be collision. Collision occurs at time 11.4 seconds, and this collision occurs in 212 meter at 212 meter. Okay, this is answer, time, and this is the distance. Okay. And next question is 44. A ball is thrown directly downward with an initial speed of 8 meters per second from a height of 30 meters. How many seconds later does the ball strike the ground? We need to find time of ball striking on the ground. Okay. The ball is thrown downward, and the height is equal to is 30 meters. And the velocity, initial velocity, is equal to 8 meters per second. And we need to find time. We will write this formula. Height is equal to velocity multiplied by time, and we will write plus because the ball is moving down. Gravity multiplied by time square over 2, and I will put the numbers. 30 is equal to 8t plus and gravity is also 10. We need to simplify, and I will write 5t square. Okay, 5t square plus 8t minus 30 is equal to 0. And I will write, this is a simple equation, 5t and t. Okay, 15 and 2. If you multiply 15 and multiply 2, is also will be 30. You need to multiply them, and 5. I will check this equation. 15t minus 70 will be 80. This will be true formula. And okay, in minus 2. Okay, this is false, and then we need to find with discriminant also. This is equal to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4 ac over 2 minus 8 plus minus in root 64 plus 4 multiply 5 multiply 30 and over 10 root. This will be 25.7. First is equal to 1.77 second, and the second time is will be minus, and this is not true because time will be with plus value, and this is the last answer. The ball on the ground, at what time ball will be on the ground, and at this time will be ball on the ground. Okay, thank you for everyone. I am finished the homework. Goodbye.